हणजूण पुलिसाची या वर्साची सगळ्यात मोठी ड्रग्साची धाड. मोर्ना शिवोले एका विलांतल्यान सुमार 25 लाखाचो ड्रग्स जप्त केला. त्या विलांत रावपी एका गुजरात्याक उखल्ला. हे फावट ड्रग्साचो लिंक थेट दिल्ली. ताका खंय ड्रग्स कुरियरान पावयल्यात.
Valid information that's some suspicious activity is there in the villa at Marna. Accordingly, my office issued a search warrant, and I have issued a search warrant. And then the raiding team conducted a search of the premises, wherein about 470 vials of the ketamine was found, and it is about 2 kg, and the value is about 23 lakhs. And charas is found about 200 or 300 grams. And we have carried the investigation and interrogation of the accused person. And as per the preliminary investigation, he told that that drugs has come from the courier, and the one guy from Delhi has sent it. So our team are investigating such this second level of source finding. This to second level we are trying our level hard, and the team will shortly go to Delhi for further investigation.
गोंयचे पुलीस आता ड्रग्स पेडलरांची पाळामुळां उस्तूक लागल्या म्हूण हणजूणचो एसडीपीओ जिवबा सांगता.
ड्रग्साचे प्रमाण वाडलें म्हणजे परस की वी आर आवर police are we are more active in getting the information, and that is the reason we are able to crack this such a huge quantity of drug. It is about 25 lakhs in the international market. We are one small information also, even small quantity, 50 gram, 100 gram also we are booking the cases, because the message should go straight to the head of the person who are peddlers who are doing this peddling.
प्रुडंटा खातीर नवसराज साळगांवकर.